In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix blurry Facebook pictures. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is to go open our Facebook application. From here, let's tap on our menu on the upper right corner of the screen. Now you want to scroll down until you find this drag down menu with the settings and privacy. Now let's select settings. From here, let's scroll down until we find the preferences section. And from here, let's just select media. So now let's just focus on this video quality section. Make sure that you have enabled or checked this optimized option and not the data saver. Make sure to check the optimized. So this will adjust your videos to your network conditions. So it will automatically make sure to prioritize high quality and max resolution pictures or videos on your Facebook. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.